to check a fingerprint to know its name and if it's been added in Samsung Galaxy S23 Ultra, swipe down the top of the screen and then tap setting icon. Scroll down the screen to find security and privacy. Tap security and privacy. Under security section, tap biometrics. Tap fingerprint. Enter your current secure screen lock. As the example, if you use pattern, draw your pattern. Tap check at fingerprints. Place a finger you like to check on the fingerprint scanner. If the finger has not been added, you will be notified that there's no add fingerprint match with the finger you are scanning. While if the finger has been added, you will be notified with the name that assigned to the finger you are scanning. Next, tap done button to stop checking. Okay, thank you for watching. Have a nice day.